going on, YouTube? I bring y'all another POV drive. Man. Y'all really enjoy these POV drives, man? My girl hurt my feelings today. She said all I be doing she said all I do is post the same thing over and over. But I hurt my feelings. Y'all let me know, man. Y'all really like these POV drives. But speaking of my girlfriend, I'm on my way to a date with her. We want to watch a movie. Kind of late. I'm supposed to pick her up at 2. It's 1:46. So when I mean I'm like actually late, I'm actually late. It's because I was cleaning my car and it just took longer than usual. I was washing it up. I got a lot of watermarks. Probably, damn. You see how much smoke that? What is it? I don't even know what that is. Need a new engine. Anyways, man, this pollen. I literally washed my car and there's pollen already on it. Makes me wonder, like, is there like a reason? Like, is there a point at this point? But yeah, no, man, I'm gonna give you a POV drive. I'm on my way to watch a movie with my girl. We're gonna watch the Minecraft movie. You know, it's not for me, it's for the little 6-year-old version of me. Yo, I felt that was a card. Yo, I felt those turbos kicked, I ain't gonna lie. Bro, I hate driving in manual mode though. I feel like I'm ruining my transmission or something. Do y'all drive y'all Q50s in manual? Damn. Y'all let me know though. Y'all be driving y'all Q50s? Infiniti in general, man. Do y'all be driving y'all things in manual? I don't like it. I like it, but at the same time I feel like I'm ruining something in my transmission. It don't feel right. Bro, what the heck? I had a video playing sometime. I was confused. What am I watching?
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a special.
That's embarrassing. I am not trying to make my Infiniti fast. Don't. My car's not slow, is it? My car's fast enough for me. Open this up so maybe y'all can see a little bit better. Damn, I got stuck behind a semi truck. Damn, it's yellow. I put a full tank of gas last night. When I have a full tank of gas, man, I just want to waste it. Damn, but it's hot. Bro, like I feel like I was wanting the heat. Now that we got the heat, we don't want the heat, you feel me? Dude, what is this what is this traffic, bro? That's how this car's meant to be driven, bruh. Man, I need an exhaust. Mad quiet. But I'll be moving, but you don't even, like, I could be moving, but I don't even know I'm moving because of how quiet the car is. Oh, I gotta throw it out. Just look at my interior, man. I had like pollen all on the inside and stuff, man. That was not pretty. It's all like had those fuzzy stuffs. Like I said, man, I need to get the detail though, for real, so I could, like, you know, get in those cracks. I'll spot clean here and there, but like, I'm not a pro. What's my gas mileage? 19.5. Is that good? Hold on, is that bird dookie? Y'all see that? It's not. I don't even know what that is. I could visually see my gas going down in Sport Plus. I don't know if y'all can see it. Nah, I think I'll make it in time. I should be straight. I feel a little better doing pulls in my car. I just did my oil change. I just switched over to 5W30. So it should help lubricate the engine a little better than 0W20. So when I do, like, you know, hit on it, it's nice and cozy in a blanket. Is that a GTI in front of me? I didn't even realize it. Man, those ghosts sound nasty when they get tuned though. Y'all thought BMWs pop like crazy? Nah, bro, Volkswagen for sure. They're the original fart cannons. Volkswagens. Rolls Royce? It's not a Rolls Royce. Alright, this is stock, by the way, so just wait, man. When I start getting some horsepower miles, when I start touching the engine, I'm gonna touch it aggressively, man. It's gonna sound good. It's gonna be fast. Just wait. Just wait. But stare at me while I drive. I don't know why I got gloves in here, man. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of those YouTube videos. Stolen Striker. Y'all should know what videos I'm talking about. why I use my blinkers if it don't going over the speed limit. No point. I can't wait, bro, to get those intakes. The audio's gonna sound crazy when I start doing pools and stuff. I just clean truck. I like old trucks like that. Clean. I got lacking. What's it called? My tie rods. It's like it's not as responsive, if that makes sense. Is that an ambulance? It's not coming this way, is it? No, it is. It's already back there. Do I stop? Or is it too far back? I'm gonna probably cut the video here, y'all, because I'm about to get to where I'm at. I made it in time, man. I made it in 10 minutes. So I'm not capped. I've been watching videos where it'd be like, oh, I'm late to this, I'm late to that. And do like a 10-minute intro, bro. I'm not lying when I say I'm late. Anyways, but I'm gonna let y'all go, man. If y'all do like these, what the, bro, is that a side by side of the road? I'm telling you, man, Atlanta sometimes it be like a GTA 7. But man, if y'all did like the video, like and subscribe. We're at 180 subscribers, man. We 20 subscribers away from 200, man. Let's go ahead and subscribe so we can get to that 200 mark. It means a lot to me. It motivates me honestly to, you know, keep making more videos for y'all. Yeah, man, I'm gonna catch you on the next video.